I invite people, I want to talk to my brother Ugo and Enogie of Deutschland. So I'm gonna invite people, so I'm gonna put better music so that we listen to the music before people came. Please. I'm gonna invite people. So I want to start the dance. I want to invite people for me. I want to talk about Nogie and this boy Ugo. I want to speak to them. It's not for quarreling. It's for a good one. So let me just put good music so that please, Mona share this video. So I don't know. Let me sit down. Why? Because today now I'll go work. Everywhere is very hot. I don't know why it's hot. So let me sit down to talk to my beautiful brother. Why? Because I want just to come and tell them to forget what happened, to forget saga. Even though people write it, you are not the one that put Toto for media. You are not the one that put Toto for media. You are not. I'm 48 years now, be 47. I never made a mistake in my life. You know, when somebody make a mistake in life once, you realize the mistake she made. So what is your problem? What are you talking about? That's why I shared the video by myself. May you know, me, Ian Ukokoma, I'm not ashamed for anything. Why? Because I don't thief. I don't witch. You know. I'm not a witch. So I'm not a thief. I'm not a useless doctor. So anything you like, you say. So let me just talk to my brothers. I have a job. I have a handwork. I'm not jobless. I'm not lazy youth, as Muhammad Buhari said. He said, Nigeria youth is lazy youth. Me, no, I'm not a lazy youth. You see, yesterday, when I have a teeth pain, I go work, do my 8 hours, which is my second work. Today, now the first work, now I want to start today. Because yesterday and day before yesterday, I have a off. Instead of Ian Kokomo go sit down for house, so they talk apropos, they shout for live video, they talk with it, I not reach. So I carry my bag, go to the second work. When I do it, I even they happy. When I finish the work, you know what I'm saying in my mind? I'll say, hey, today don't finish. I don't still key today. I don't still get the money of today. I will be happy come home. Now you people they see me when I'm come, I will play music. When I'm going, I will play music, you know. Why? Because I'm always happy. Because I get the money. You know, this UK of 18, when you do UK, every Friday, but your bank account go they cry. So if you day house, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can't go work for 2 days. The money will go enter your account on Friday is very small. So it's better you go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Me now they go 7 days in a week. You know, 7 days in a week now they go. So not to say UK work is hard like that. It's not hard. Now only to stand. If you have a strength to stand, you can walk. Why? Because you know when I do hair before, this my hair when I do, this salon hair when I do. When I did Nigeria, I stay 24 hours in standing. So when I'm here, so when I'm doing standing work, I will not even feel it. It will be like I'm playing. So not be all people feel stand for work. If you don't stand, small time, I don't tire. So me, I cannot tire myself. If they even ask, madam, you need extra, I will do it. If no day where they don't ask me, say you will do overtime, I do it. So far, I have a car. At any time finish, I enter my car, come home. I will not stay for bus stop, wait for bus. They waka come. So that's why I'm doing everything. So my brother, my sister, my viewers, God will bless you now. My lovers, who they write to for my page, maybe like say, you know, you never wise and you don't get sense, and you never work out for your life. They say something where you never see, you never work out reach there. And don't beneath users make say okay. So my brother, my sister. So I want to talk about Ugo first. Ugo, my brother, God will bless you. I love the video you did for me. You know, good. Maybe they do ourselves. Maybe they kill ourselves for media. Maybe they humiliate ourselves on media. Maybe they cause women with their husband house in the media. So you know, be more than they put us on, please. If you be woman here, put us on. If you be man, put like. Why? Because if they humiliate another person, woman, you go sleep. May you sleep, say, may you take on for your inside your bed, say, if now my wife that they do like this, I feel just use gun to shoot the person. I feel just use bottle to knock the person head. It go die through way. Webs my video. I hope now they hear waiting at the top. People just they call me. Some people even they feel they even they vex if they call me, I know they call back. Until now the year, if now the year said yes. Even I know they see comment again. The one where I first see now see more now right down here because this one very important talk. So this life, it no good me with the beat ourselves. Why? Because nobody knows tomorrow. Who go say when you see that video, he can say, if they follow this woman, if they follow this mama, if they even they happy say this mama they talk better thing for media. If they take good advice for people, still they talk advice for people. Why she can't do this thing? He said no, he not even see the video. He said one of him boy, one of evil. You know, say you know even everybody not even put her for one place. One go put her here, the other one will carry the head. Say now so you go commit. Hey, we go. You see person where you say you like. You see what thing she do, and I can say no, you know go just call me. This thing, the thing vex and say, mama go do this thing. Now make her come out, come the lay cost for the cost where lay, come the apropos analyze that head. You understand? So now I can say okay. Now me as you no come where I know they find trouble, I don't need trouble. Now I can find this boy Ugo number. I can call him. Say Ugo, you know me before. I say no, mama. Now you know I say yes. Now I can tell him. Say see what he say. See him. Say you know why even reach 1 minute wait tell me say sorry. He say he go come out to apologize to me. Say sorry. When he tell me sorry, I forget. I know can say no. I must come out. Or before when I see that video, me I still come out. You know why they come out for Aproko? Say me I they lay cause for her. Why? Because Aproko don't destroy many things. Aproko analyzer. Even when they humiliate our Edo kingdom. Aproko they cut that video. If they cut her. If they cut her. You know say na Edo or na our Benin kingdom. Any video when he come, make them bring it. I see and when Facebook writes me when I lay cause for him. When Facebook they write me that nonsense. When Aproko they post my video, Facebook not see him. Facebook not see that video. That video not supposed to do Facebook. You not see him. So Facebook, if you know, say you see the video where Aproko block for in page before I start the lay cause for him, you tell Aproko waiting into not still good. Go and write Aproko too. That's why I put that my video and the one where I used to lay cause for her yesterday night, this night. Go match together. Me I be blogger too. You see, I started blog my video. I'm a correct blogger. But me I know the blog nyama. Waiting at the blog. Waiting people go see, they will see they laugh. Waiting people go see, they will see they say, hey, maybe na person die or maybe they do birthday or they do party. Now they blog. I know they blog nyama say, no, I can't do that one. No. 9. So that one come pass. Ugo, I just come and say, thank you for the video you do for me. God will bless you. God will bless you, bless your wife, bless your children, bless your family. Anything where you find for this Europe, you go see him. You go see him na money, na paper, na house, na good school. Your children will go to good school for this country in Jesus' name. So I just constantly just come pray this prayer for you this morning before I go work. They say if person do something for you, you'll still appreciate him. So Ugo, even today, now me with Ugo, we can't be friends. Yesterday I call Ugo. I call him. If when he call me, I did my work. So when I come back, I see the missed call. Now we call it talk. We talk more than 1 hour. I don't know what it become be a Aproko analyzer for dope people body. I don't know. You say you they bring the video, make they know them. No, you they bring the video, make they humiliate, make they look Edo down. Yes, if you people, Edo people, Benin people, I don't know. Me, Iye look come they tell Nana. Aproko never carry my video once. He never carry on. Say maybe I they do good and they do hair. I never see when I tell they do hair when Aproko block put for them. You know they say this woman they do hair, more they follow and they do hair. Na good hairstyle. You never block them. So the nyama way there now you go block. Now make me lay cost for your head this evening. And your Aproko analyzer no go come out from my mouth. As if you say, may you they share me. You know, since I don't share the video, me I know the shame. Oh, hey, oh my God, oh. I know the shame. Me, I know the shame. Me, who near myself, who did this place, they know say me, Iye no come. I know the shame. Come on, shame, not the my hand. If to say the shame, we are rich.